The next adventure is the Miura Kaigan Beach of Japan. Let's see what the hype is all about and let's explore the beach together. Afterwards, let's also explore the vicinity and the nearby areas. Join me only on the epic travel adventures. Miura Kaigan Beach is located in the city of Miura of the Kanagawa Prefecture. It is only about 25 minutes from the Yokosuka-chuo Station or over an hour and a half from the Tokyo Station heading south. The population of Miura is just about 44,000 people. These beaches are a little bit more rough, like the sand. What do you think about this beach here?
It's so pretty. The water's nice and green and it's really calming here. Not windy today. Miura Beach. Actually, the water looks nice and blue and a little bit of green. The sky's kind of gray, but still very pretty here.
Thanks for sharing with this information live from Japan. So I will actually let you guys be the judges of if the water looks green or blue. To me, it looks a little bluish, but some people say it looks a little greenish. I'll let you decide. The Miura body of water goes directly into the Kaneda Bay on the east side and connects to the Tokyo Bay on the north. Despite seeing the tsunami warnings signs just like these, this is a very relaxing place with not many people as one might think, and plenty of good restaurants around. You'll be able to enjoy the quiet atmosphere. Miura is famous for its amazing seafood. On a clear day, you'll be able to see Chiba Prefecture right across. This sign says Jinya gawa, which is the name of the river. This sign says Sakai-bashi, which is the name of the bridge. Along the boardwalk, you will see some of the American chains, like the KFC. Isn't that crazy? Farther northeast along the boardwalk, you'll see the Daikon Radishes hanging like this. The preservation process involves salting the radishes and then hanging them to dry in the sun, just like this. This way there are no artificial chemicals or colorings. Afterwards, you can eat them raw, you can bake them, or you can boil them and use them in many dishes like soups, stews, and stir-fries, similar to how you would use carrots. Further down along the boardwalk, notice many dilapidated little huts, houses and boats. I suspect that these belong to the fishermen that fish and stay here during the fishing period. This Tsunami Evacuation Warning sign states that if you feel an earthquake at the current sea level of 5 meters, evacuate to safety. Heading away from the beach, let's tour a little bit of vicinity. This rock says Tsukui Asama Shrine. It is located by the Tsukurihama Station. Heading through the first Tsukui Asama Shrine Torri gate, it will lead you through the first set of stairs. The second Tsukui Asama Shrine Torri gate leads you to the second set of stairs. Here you throw the money into this box called the Saisen, which is offered to gods, Bodhisattvas and deities. By doing so, gods and deities will listen and answer your prayers. Sometimes visitors throw bills, but it is most common to throw coins. I decided to say my own prayers and give offerings to gods and deities. I expect my wishes to come true in the near future. Next, let's make another trip to the Kamakura Daibutus and see the Big Buddha of Kamakura. Let's explore some new areas and find out some new things. Stay tuned only on the Epic Travel Adventures. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.